Y'all know why we here. Ma'am knows why we here. And now, I just gotta cut some wood, really. Check it out. Oh. Maverick, you want to sit up with me? Oh, Maverick. So I just gotta cut some wood. I'm gonna show you the size I have to cut it to. Shout out to my neighbor. He let me borrow his skill saw. So I'm gonna borrow it for about 3 days, like a good neighbor. And I'm gonna cut it to this size right here. I think that's like 3 by like 5.5 or so. So I'm gonna use the skill saw to cut it down, and I would do my best to show you what it looks like while I'm cutting it down. But it's not up to me, it's all up to this little rascal here. Maverick, say what's up to the people. Huh? Say hello. There we go. All right, here we go. All right, so I plan to cut this to the length of the size foam board I need. I'm not sure what size I need. Probably like 3 by 5.5. I'm gonna take a board and do some measurements on it. So give me about 30 seconds, I'll be right back. You never know. I should have my knife with me, but we're just gonna keep rolling, man. Keep rolling. So I got the board tied up for now. You might hear the music in the background. But anyways, yeah, this is, I'm just trying to measure this so I can go ahead and start nailing stuff together. I broke my freaking expansion joint. You're gonna see what I'm talking about in a second. I'm not sure where I got this from. Oh, it says Lowe's, but I think I got it from Habitat for Humanity project. I accidentally kept it. I truly didn't mean to keep it. If y'all are interested in what I did with the Habitat for Humanity, I'll post it up on the community channel. Just let me know. All right, so I don't have my measurement here, but I mean, I don't have my ruler. Do have my pencil, so we're gonna keep it rolling. So about right here. Give it a couple lines of grace. this is my first time, I don't want to cut it perfectly. I'd rather cut it a little bit too long than a little bit too short. So I gave a couple lines of grace. All right, man. So I cut another one for the other side. Now I saw some YouTube videos where people didn't even have these. But we some rookies over here, so we gonna cut them all. I still haven't decided dry pour or not either. Y'all let me know if you have some experience with dry pour. I think about just calling the truck out here, getting it done. Let's see what the board's doing. Yeah. All right, so I broke my expansion joint. I'm so upset. So I got to run to Home Depot, get another one. I don't even know if it can fit all the way across. Let's take a look and find out ourselves. I'll make it a little bit shorter. You know what? I'm gonna make it this length of my expansion joint. So I'm gonna make it the size of my expansion joint. I'm gonna still cut it to that size. That'll work. Let's go ahead and cut it, y'all. You're not jumping around, boy? My son's looking at me like, what's going on? It's okay, boy. That's a better shot right there, isn't it? You know what? Y'all almost caught me slipping. Where's my eye protection at? That probably wasn't the best shot, right? With my butt towards the camera. So it's not bad. Just a little short. Let me show you what I got so far. That's what I got so far. So probably like a ½ an inch. I got to cut it short. All right, there. There's my expansion joint behind me. All right, this is nothing fancy, just some stuff I have around the house. Some normal picture hangers. You know, let's give it a try. probably won't work for this 2x4 actually. I don't think it's gonna work. You might have to go to Home Depot, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go to Home Depot, guys. This was not going to work. Nope. So I just realized I wasn't recording, but I just was saying that I need to cut this flush right here. You see it's a little chipped off. Otherwise, I'm good to go. Otherwise, I'm good to go. Let me show you what it looks like. I was not pressing record, y'all. To Home Depot. La la la. La 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 la. Let's see what we got in here today, man. We made it out. Man was half asleep. He's supposed to be holding my bag for me. Come on. So he meets with the expression joint back there, meets with my board. Like I said, I have to buy another expansion joint. You see it's broken. But I have the length right, and I'm gonna start putting some stakes in the ground and then go from there. Let's check out Bubba. Bubba's hanging out. You got nothing to say, Bubba? This is all Maverick will allow me to do. I put my stakes down. I couldn't get that last nail because he was kind of crying. For the future, I recommend screws to use on the stakes. Definitely recommend to use screws. I have my leveler to make sure I got a little slant away from the property. And of course, when I went to Home Depot earlier, I forgot to buy another expansion joint. So I'll show you what it looks like on the flip side, guys, before the sun goes down. So good night, we done for today. So we done for the day.